to this update is Stybit. It's an application designed for fashion designer. So with Stybit, you can save measurements on your device by clicking on this new customer, type in the customer's name, the customer's phone number, indicate that the phone number is on WhatsApp. Select whether you want to save measurements on inches or centimeter. So let me put it on centimeter. Then here you input all the body measurements, so you don't have to do pen and paper anymore. The reason for this is that with pen and paper you can lose your measurement at any time, while with this software you never get to lose. You never lose any of your customers' measurements or contacts. Yeah, you can also save measurements for male. So we've been on female since, so here are also body measurements for male customers. What else can you do with Stybit? You can also send invoice to your customer on Stybit. So just click on this new invoice button here, select the customer and input everything, save and send it to your customer. Easy peasy. You can also save orders on Stybit by clicking on this new order button here. Click on the new order button and follow the prompt, fill in everything, select the customer first and the number of items, the date you collected, the due date, select the payment status, is it unpaid, partially paid or fully paid, and order, and also order status, which we have recently booked, processing, ready or delivered. You can even add the picture of the item ordered by clicking on this plus button here. Then you select, that is if you have the picture, but it's optional. Okay, you can also see if you have any pending payment just from the home screen here. So here you can see you have 2 pending payments. You can see if you have any new customer in the last 24 hours. You can also see more. I'll be sharing videos on how you can use Stybit to better your business. So I'll leave a link in the description box or in the comment section. Just go to the comment section or in the description box. You're going to see the link at the top. Click on the link to get this application, to download the application. Whether you use Android or iOS, click on that link.